Hello everyone, your Group 50 of CS 546 Web Programming of Fall 2022 at Stevens Institute of Technology. This is our project presentation. The project is titled Stevens Lost and Found. Let's look at the contents of this presentation. We will start with the introduction, then we will go through the 3Ws, then we will discuss the core and extra features, and at the end we will discuss our competition and why we think we are better than them. Introduction. Stevens Lost and Found is a web-based lost and found service for Stevens Institute of Technology. Our major goal is to help students, faculty, staff like janitors, security personnel of the Stevens community around the campus to find their lost and found items quickly. We are designing a web app with basic features like authentication, listing of the lost and found items, ability to comment on items, and claim an item. Okay, let's discuss the 3Ws: who, what, and why. Who is our target user demographic? Any member part of the Stevens community is our target users. It can be students, faculty, staff, security, and etc. A user of this application can be divided into two categories: a person who lost their item and couldn't find a platform to report it, a person who found an item and couldn't find a platform to report it. What does our application bring to the user? How many times have you received a message on apps like WhatsApp or email from people asking if anyone found their lost belonging? This person will be our user. Sometimes an owner feels shy to report about their lost property on WhatsApp groups. This person can easily use our app and not have to go through that. There might be an occasion where the finder would hold on to the item intending to hand it over to the security, announcing it on a campus chat group later, only to forget to do it. This case can be negated by using our application. On this app, you can directly get in touch with the owner of the item, so you don't have to go through the bureaucracy of reporting it to a security on the campus, and you can directly contact its rightful owner. Why is this project worthwhile to take on? We think we are trying to solve a problem at some point that has happened to all of us. We are trying to simplify the bureaucracy of reporting an item. All lost and found items are stored in a single location in our application, so everyone knows where to go when their items is lost.
The product will feature a landing page, the starting point of the application. It will provide a glimpse of the services offered by our product. It will also have an authentication section from which new users can create accounts and existing users can log into the website in order to access our services. Users will be required to use their Stevens email ID to register. Basic information such as name, phone number, and email ID will be requested. Once logged in, users will be taken to the listings page where they'll be able to see all of the lost and found items along with their associated details such as the item name, description of the item, the date on which it was lost or found, as well as some additional information such as the date on which the listing was created by the user and added to the website, accompanied by the contact details of the user who posted about the item. Users can search for items by entering a name or let's say a keyword on the search bar. For example, glasses. This will bring forth a number of listings for a potential match, making it easier for them to find the items they are looking for. Users will have the option to sort these listings by the date they were added or the date on which the item was lost. Users can claim the item if the item listed on one of the listings turns out to be theirs.
When a user finds any item, so he or she can create items by entering the following details like name, location, description of the item, date, lost or found, and a picture of it. And if a user reports a lost item, a search will run on the existing data where the item can be found by potential item match. And if a match is found, it will be shown to the user. This will help the user to find the item quickly as they don't have to search it in the listing. The user can also see their listings of the items are found or lost. Also, they can have access to edit or delete as they want to update the data for the items. Also, there is an item pages for every items to show all the information about the items and the contact details. The users can add and view comments on the item to have conversation with the owner who have found the item.
In this contemporary world, people have lots of passwords and they cannot remember one. So in that case, we have a feature called forgot password, in which user can regain or reset his password. Also, security is an important concern in today's world. So we have added couple of security features, such as whenever a new user logs into the web application, they will be verified via OTP confirmation or a verification link to confirm their identity. Another layer of security is added as whenever a person claims an item on the web application, they will be prompted with a security question added by the finder. As a person who is claiming that the item belongs to them, they have to basically convince the finder that they are the rightful owner of the item and not any fake person just claiming the item. Also, when an item is claimed, the finder will be notified via email, and the person who is claiming will get the information of the finder so they can easily communicate with each other, and the item is returned to the rightful owner without any hassle.
Moving to our final stage of our presentation. Here we are representing who are our competitors. Mainly our competitors are found business, found, lost and found, get it back. What makes us better? What makes our lost and found app better than those competitors? We have the customized app according to the Steven's needs, and we can further do customizations. The app has a simple use case, and it will give an elegant solutions to everyone who are using it, and there is no sort of monetizations or ads shown here.
So that brings us to the end of our presentation. If you have any questions or you would like to discuss about the application or give us suggestions, please reach out to us.